So let's balance this chemical equation. So here we have aluminum sulfate and sodium triacarbonate. So this guy here, we do what? We marry this woman here, this beautiful woman. Why this handsome man here will marry this beautiful woman? Remember, positive will marry negative. Okay? So here we have aluminum carbonate. Then we have sodium sulfate. Sodium sulfate. But then, let's ask ourselves, is this how to write aluminum carbonate and is this how to write sodium sulfate? The truth is that none of these compounds is well written, so it is not well represented. So with the knowledge of oxidation states, we'll apply that again. So we'll have we have 3 times 4, that is 12. 12 plus 9, 21 as well. So I think this equation is well balanced. So I've been able to write the products formed the way it's supposed to be, and we have also been able to balance the chemical equation. So I believe this tutorial helped you. If it did help you, kindly subscribe to all my social media handles and my channels. Bye!